You've probably heard AI will take all the jobs. In this lesson, we'll flip that fear. You'll see which parts of careers actually get automated, which stay human, and how to shape a path where AI becomes your super tool, not your enemy. AI isn't here to steal your future, it's here to change how you play the game. The real risk is ignoring it. In this course, you'll learn how to treat AI like a power up, build adaptable skills, and design careers that grow with technology instead of getting blocked by it. Instead of thinking of a job as one big thing, break it into many small tasks. In almost every career, some tasks are repetitive and rule based, and others need judgment, ideas, or empathy. AI is strongest on the boring, repetitive side. So the real question isn't will AI replace this job, but which tasks in this job can AI handle, and which will still need me. A simple way to judge what gets automated is to ask, is this more of an AI task or a human task? AI shines when work is routine, pattern based, and data heavy, things like data entry, basic coding, or spell checking. Humans excel when work needs complex judgment, emotions, and handling messy, unknown situations. Negotiating, leading people, or inventing new ideas stay human first. As you imagine your future job, notice where AI can assist and where you'll still take the lead. Even in the age of AI, your biggest advantage is being human. AI can process huge amounts of data, but it struggles with real feelings, values, and relationships. Empathy helps you sense what someone is going through. Ethics helps you choose what is right, even when it's hard. Leadership helps you guide others through change. Future proof careers sit where AI's data power meets your human context. Imagine a hospital where AI scans thousands of x rays in seconds and highlights possible problems. That doesn't replace the doctor, it frees the doctor's time and energy. The doctor still listens to the patient, explains what the results mean, decides the final treatment, and supports the family emotionally. So the job doesn't disappear, it evolves. Human skills plus AI skills together create safer, faster, and more personalized healthcare. This pattern shows up in many fields. In law, software can draft a basic contract in seconds, but a human lawyer still understands context, risk, and negotiation. In technical trades, AI might quickly detect where a circuit is failing, yet a skilled technician is the one who safely repairs it. In creative work, AI can suggest layouts or rough illustrations, but humans bring emotion, taste, and originality. Instead of asking, will AI do this better than me? Switch the question to, how can I use AI to do this faster or easier? Treat AI like a very smart intern on your team. Hand it the boring or heavy parts, research, first drafts, summaries, and then you review, improve, and decide. Your human judgment stays in charge. Think of your future as a stack of skills, not a single talent. At the base are core human skills: clear communication, ethics, and logical thinking. On top of that, you add AI and tool skills like writing good prompts and using data. Then comes domain knowledge in whatever field you choose: biology, law, design, business, anything. Finally, you need adaptability, the habit of learning new things quickly. Long term career security comes from combining these layers, not depending on just one of them. In the AI era, the most future proof skill isn't a software or a subject, it's your mindset. A growth mindset says, I can figure this out. I can learn new tools. So don't just memorize facts. Learn how to learn, ask questions, experiment, and seek feedback. Also, expect change. Job roles, tools, even entire industries will keep evolving, and you can evolve with them. Whenever you look at a career option, run a quick mental checklist. First, does this path involve real, complex human interaction, not just sitting with a screen? Second, does it demand judgment, ethics, or taking responsibility for important decisions? Third, is AI likely to make this work more powerful instead of simply replacing it? Finally, do the skills you'll build transfer to other industries so you're not locked into one narrow road? AI doesn't replace whole careers, it mainly takes over repetitive tasks. Your advantage is being human, empathy, judgment, ethics, and real world understanding. Use AI as a powerful partner to work faster and smarter instead of treating it as an enemy. Above all, stay curious and keep learning. That mindset is your true career safety net. AI isn't here to replace your dreams, it's here to upgrade them. Your real power is knowing yourself, then using AI as a smart assistant. Take a breath, stay curious, and get ready to explore who you are in the next module.